Internet. In this video, we are going to see about the Internet. The Internet is a global system of interrelated computer networks that use the standard Internet Protocol suite, that is TCP/IP, to serve billions of users worldwide. The primary purpose of the Internet is sharing of information and communicating with remote PCs. The largest network of networks in the world, joining many government, university, and private computers together and providing an infrastructure for the use of email, bulletin boards, file archives, hypertext documents, database, and other computational resources. The Internet has extremely changed nearly every aspect of life by revolutionizing how individuals and businesses access information and electronic files, communication personally and professionally, shop for products and services, share resource. ARPANET, ARPANET, and Internet History of the World Wide Web. In this video, we are going to see about ARPANET, ARPANET, and Internet History of World Wide Web. Origins in ARPANET. ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, started an experimental computer network in January 2, 1969. Growth and development of ARPANET. In 1971, Ray Tomlinson developed email, and ARPANET includes more than 20 sites including Harvard. Winton Cerf and Robert Kahn developed standard or protocol for communications over a network TCP and IP in 1972. In 1981, the ARPANET linked 200 sites. ARPANET eventually lost its reason to survive as other special Internet networks took its place. In 1990, ARPANET was eliminated, leaving behind a legacy of networks that evolved into the Internet. The beginnings and rise of the web. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee created Hypertext Markup Language HTML, Hypertext Transfer Protocol HTTP, first web browser and web server. In 1993, Mark Anderson and Eric Bina developed Mosaic Browser. In 1994, Mark Anderson and Jim Clark founded Netscape Communication and Netscape Navigator Browser. Owners of the Internet. In this video, we are going to learn about owner of the Internet. No one actually owns the Internet, and no single person or organization controls the Internet in its entirety. The Internet is more of a concept than an actual physical entity, and it relies on a physical infrastructure that connects networks to other networks. So, who actually owns the Internet? If users think of the Internet as a unified, single entity, then no one owns it. There are organizations that establish the Internet structure and how it works, but they don't have any ownership over the Internet itself. No government can lay assert to owning the Internet, nor can any company. The Internet is like the telephone system where no one owns the whole thing. But from another point of view, thousands of people and organizations own the Internet. The Internet consists of lots of different bits and pieces, each has an owner. Some of these owners can control the quality and level of access users have to the Internet. They might not own the entire system, but they can impact users' Internet experience. Anatomy of Internet. In this video, we are going to learn about anatomy of Internet. The Internet is an enormous group of computers linked by cables and satellites, not controlled by any one authority, but all operating under common network protocols. The term Internet includes both the hardware and the software that enable computers to communicate with each other. When information is sent across the Internet, the Transmission Control Protocol, that is TCP, first breaks up the information into packets of data. The client computer sends those packets to the local network, Internet Service Provider, ISP, or online service. From here, the packets travel through many levels of networks, computers, and communication lines until they reach their final destinations. Many types of hardware help the packets on their way. These are hubs, bridges, gateways, repeaters, routers, servers, client computer, cable or satellite communications. All hardware units need common working methods, basic instructions called protocols that specify to all parties how the data will be handled. Growth of Internet. In this video, we are going to see about growth of Internet. Date: December 1995. Number of users: 16 million. Percentage of world population: 0.4%. Information source: IDC. December 1996, 36 millions, 0.9%. IDC. December 1997, 70 millions, 1.7%. IDC. December 1998, 147 millions, 3.6%. CI Almanac. December 1999, 248 millions, 4.1%. NUA Limited. December 2003, 719 millions, 11.1%. Internet World Stats. December 2004, 817 millions, 12.7%. Internet World Stats. December 2005, 1018 millions, 15.7%. Internet World Stats. December 2006, 1093 millions, 16.7%. Internet World Stats. December 2007, 1319 millions, 20.0%. Internet World Stats. December 2008, 1574 millions, 23.5%. Internet World Stats. December 2009, 1802 millions, 26.6%. Internet World Stats. September 2010, 1971 millions, 28.8%. Internet World Stats. December 2011, 2267 millions, 32.7%. Internet World Stats. December 2012, 2497 millions, 35.7%. ITU. December 2013, 2802 millions, 39.0%. Internet World Stats. March 2014, estimate 2937 millions, 40.7%. Internet World Stats. Basic Internet terminology. In this video, we are going to see about basic Internet terminology. www, World Wide Web or Web. It is an interactive collection of hypertext pages linked to one another. They may include text, graphics, and/or links to other spots in the web. URL. Uniform Resource Locator is the address of the web document currently displayed on the monitor. Server. Server is a computer that provides a service to another computer. Search engine. It finds web pages with specific content. ISP, Internet Service Provider. An Internet Service Provider (ISP) is an organization that provides services for accessing, using, or participating in the Internet. Internet service providers may be organized in various forms such as commercial, community-owned, non-profit, or otherwise privately owned. Cookie. Cookie is a file left on the computer by a website's browser containing user login, password, user preferences, and other personalized information. Browser. Software used to browse the Internet. Most common examples are Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator. Domain name. Domain name is the unique name that identifies an Internet site. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language is a standardized system for tagging text files to achieve font, color, graphic, and hyperlink effects on World Wide Web pages. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This communication protocol used to connect to web servers on the Internet or on a local network, that is intranet. Uploading. Uploading means data is being sent from your computer to the Internet. Examples of uploading include sending email, posting photos on a social media site, and using user webcam. Even clicking on a link on a web page sends a tiny data upload. Downloading. Downloading means your computer is receiving data from the Internet. Examples of downloading include opening a web page, receiving email, purchasing music files, and watching online videos. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. The File Transfer Protocol (FTP) is the Internet facility for downloading and uploading files. If users are uploading a file to another site, user must usually have permission in advance to access the site and the directory where the file is to be placed. Bookmark. It is a function used to save a web page location for future reference. ASCII, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII character encoding provides a standard way to represent characters using numeric codes. These include upper and lowercase English letters, numbers, and punctuation symbols. Lower ASCII between 32 and 127. Higher ASCII between 128 and 255. Home page. Home page is a page where the computer will go to when user initially log on to the Internet. Link, hyperlink. It is a text found on a web page which, when clicked, will take the user to another web location. Net etiquette. In this video, we are going to see about net etiquette. Communicating with others through Internet without creating misunderstandings can be challenging because facial expressions and body language cannot be interpreted on cyberspace. Therefore, attempting to safeguard against these misunderstandings, a technology called Internet etiquette is proposed. Internet etiquette is a technology that governs the conduct which is socially acceptable in an online or digital. Internet etiquette is also called as netiquette. Good netiquette involves respecting others' privacy and not doing anything online that will annoy or frustrate other people. Most important areas where good netiquette is highly stressed are email, online chats, and news groups. For example, people that spam other users with unnecessary emails or flood them with messages have very bad etiquette. The companies without internet etiquette knowledge could create corporate embarrassment and can drain the employee. Guide to Net Etiquette. Before user join in a news group or discussion board, always they should check that their questions are relevant to the group. It is a good idea to watch the conversation before user join in. Never respond to vulgar or threatening messages, whether in chat, news groups, or message boards. Always, user should leave if the conversation makes them uncomfortable. Never hold in a flame war, that is, a noisy match through text conducted between two or more people. Never use capital letters to send an email. That is always considered to be shouting on the internet. Never say nasty or incorrect things about others, especially in public forums, news groups, or chat. These remain in many archives and user could be charged with libel. User should never forward personal emails to others without checking with the original sender first. Avoid overuse of emoticons as they really lost their cuteness when overused and tend to irritate people. Commerce on the Internet. In this video, we are going to see about commerce on the Internet. The term Internet commerce covers all commercial activity on the Internet, including auctioning, placing orders, making payments, transferring funds, and collaborating with trading partners. Internet commerce is not a synonym for electronic commerce, that is e-commerce, but one of its subsets. Internet commerce means the use of the global internet for purchase and sale of goods and services, including service and support after the sale. The internet may be an efficient mechanism for advertising and distributing product information, sometimes called brochureware in the trade. Governance on the Internet. In this video, we are going to see about governance on the Internet. The term Internet governance embraces the key objectives of the 2005 World Summit on the Information Society WSIS. Internet governance is the development and function by governments, the private sector, and civil society in their respective roles of shared principles, norms, rules, decision-making procedures, and programs that shape the evolution and use of the Internet. Internet governance covers a wide range of issues, from day-to-day technical and operational workings of the Internet to public policy issues such as combating crime on the Internet. Impact of Internet on society. In this video, we are going to see about impact of Internet on society. The Internet has a large impact on our society and on the way of living. In some cases, using the Internet can save a lot of money and time. Shopping on the Internet allows for instant price comparisons without leaving their homes. Relationships have changed based on Internet access, email, chat, and instant messages. People meet and get to know one another online. People can remain in closer contact with friends and family and help keep everyone informed of special events. Education has expanded to allowing people to get full degrees online without leaving the comfort of their homes. The Internet can be used for soliciting contributions and fundraising. Political action committees have made excellent use of sharing information and raising funds using the Internet. crime on or through the internet. In this video, we are going to see about crime on or through the internet. Internet crime is any crime or illegal online action committed on the internet, through the internet, or using the internet. The widespread internet crime phenomenon encompasses multiple global levels of legislation and failure to notice. In the continuously changing IT field, security experts are committed to combating internet crime through preventative technologies such as intrusion detection networks and packet sniffers. Internet crime is a strong branch of cybercrime. Identity theft, internet scams, and cyberstalking are the main types of internet crime. Because internet crimes usually engage people from various geographic areas, finding and punishing guilty participants is complicated. Types of internet crime: cyberbullying and harassment, financial extortion, internet bomb threats, classified global security data theft, password trafficking, enterprise state secret theft, personally data hacking, copyright violations such as software piracy, counterfeit trademarks, online child pornography, credit card theft and fraud, email phishing, domain name hijacking, virus spreading.